Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if USB device is not recognized on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is try to use a different USB port. So if you are connected to the first USB port, try the second or the third USB port. So try in that first and see if that helped you fix the issue. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the best match. Now here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. This one, click on this arrow. And here you have to simply update the controller. Make a right click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. You have to do this for the list of drivers in here. Make a right click, select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Right click, select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And then you have to click on yes, and after that this will restart your Windows. You can also try to disable the root hub once. Click on yes and wait in a while. Then you have to enable it again, but you have to restart your Windows first, and after that enable it again. Then you have to click on yes again, and that will restart your Windows. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edit Power Plan. Click on Edit Power Plan under the best match. Now here you'll find this option, Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on that. And here in the power options window, in this case, in this window, you will find the USB settings. So in my case, I don't have it. But if you find the USB settings in the power options window, simply click on the plus sign symbol and then change the option to disabled. So if the USB settings is enabled here in this window, just simply click on the drop down arrow and choose disabled. Then you have to click on apply, click on OK, and then close this. And after that, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, make a right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for the Windows folder, this one. Then here look for the INF, this one, INF, double click. And here in the search bar, simply type WPDM TP. And you'll find this, the second option, make a right click and then you have to select install. Click on OK and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.